Alright, the Zippo truck arrived a few minutes ago, and let's take a look at what I received in today's mail. Alright, this thing is in the normal Zippo black box, and the label is Psycho Skull #1. Not a collectible box, the normal insert. And you can see it's on a black matte body, and it has a brass case. And this thing was made in D of 14, so it's one of their newer designs. Made in Bradford, PA. So that is the Psycho Skull. Pretty nice design. It's on a brass case, so it's got a pretty good sound. And of course it lights up like any Zippo should. So that is the Psycho Skull by Zippo. And I'm going to put that into my skull collection, which is getting bigger, but I'm going to put it here just for now. And there's a few of the skulls I have by Zippo. Seems to fit right in there. So that definitely deserves just a little bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.